In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Facebook Ads Manager, 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Facebook account and access to the correct business or ad account. If your company uses Business Manager, you'll need permission to view the ad account you're trying to open. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager, or type the official URL for Ads Manager from the Facebook business site. This takes you to the landing page where you can quickly get into your advertising tools. A quick tip here: once you're in, bookmark the page so future logins are faster. On the page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be redirected to Facebook's login screen. Confirm you're on an official Facebook domain before you enter anything. Then enter your login details and proceed. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, keep your authentication method handy so you can approve the sign-in right away. If you run into a checkpoint or verification prompt, follow the on-screen steps and continue. Next, click Log In. If your credentials are correct, Facebook will route you to the right place. Sometimes, if you've been inactive, you might be asked to confirm your identity or review recent activity. Go ahead and complete that so you can move forward. If you manage multiple pages, clients, or businesses, you'll likely land on a selection screen. Here, choose the specific ad account or business portfolio you want to work in. If you don't see the one you need, you may not have the proper permissions yet, so request access from an admin or switch to a profile that has it. It's also helpful to note the ad account name and ID so you can pick the correct one every time. Once you're in Business Manager, open the main menu. This may appear as a grid or a menu icon, and select Ads, then choose Ads Manager. That opens your dashboard where you can view campaigns, ad sets, and ads. From here, you can check budgets, monitor performance, and switch views using the date range and columns options. If you manage several accounts, look for the account selector near the top of the screen to confirm you're working in the right place. Consider bookmarking this exact Ads Manager view as well for quick access. That's all there is to logging in. If you followed along, you should now be inside Ads Manager and ready to review your campaigns. If anything didn't load as expected, try refreshing, clearing your browser cache, or signing out and back in. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to dive into your ads with confidence.